We have another video from Meanin Transmission. Two locations, one in Willow Grove, one in Lansdale. To be reached at meanintransmissions.com. Transmission we're talking about today, it's actually an RE4 FO4B, which this is showing the A, but nonetheless, the architecture of the transmission is the same. It's from a Nissan Altima. This is from a Nissan Altima before they went to a CDT transmission. These transmissions are generally pretty reliable. This transmission's an 03. One thing about this transmission is it does have some clutch components that are very, very small, and the capacity is limited. This being a 4-cylinder application is sufficient. So vehicle was brought in, basically had some problems, was not shifting, actually was shifting first to second and then the third, and it was basically neutraling out. So this is the pan from the transmission. As soon as we dropped the pan, it was pretty evident that we had a transmission. It was beyond just doing a repair and would need to be rebuilt. We look at this, here are some clutch components. Clutch components in the transmission are obviously damaged, burn up. We also had some clutch components that actually came apart, and when the clutch components came apart, they damaged this hub here. Also damaged the drum, so drums are going to need to be replaced. The band was slipping so bad on this drum's going to need to be replaced. Just to show you where these components are located, here's the breakdown of the transmission. The hub assembly that was damaged is right here. Here's your high clutch assembly, and there's your high drum. They're going to need to be replaced. In addition, reverse drum, the overdrive band wraps around the reverse drum, so because that wasn't holding correctly, basically that drum got damaged. In addition, had some components that got ingested into the pump. Here is the pump itself. You see that the pump, the bore of the pump is chewed up where the gear rotor assembly rides. So this transmission has an extensive amount of hard parts. Pump's going to need to be replaced, drum's going to need to be replaced, hub's going to need to be replaced. This drum also is going to need to be replaced. This is the reverse drum because of damage that took place where the overdrive band rides. So we'll price out, see what it's going to be to rebuild this transmission, including the hard parts requirements, and weigh that against some of the remanufactured options.